Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch. Origin select. Now horizontally and select vertical and select horizontal and select vertical and horizontal. Now go to smart dimension. Now this line dimension 105 and this line dimension 80. Now this line and this line dimension 15. Now this line dimension same distance 15. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now here select from midplane. Give the value here 60. Okay. Now go to fillet tools. Now here select full round fillet. This face select. This box select this face. And this box select this face. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select this plane and sketch this face. Now draw the slot here, straight slot. Now just touch arc. This point select and this point select. Now give the this line and this line dimension 20. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select for all. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now here draw the circle. Select. Now go to this line, select and convert it is. Now go to trim, cut this half circle. Now go to isometric view and select feature and extrude. Now here give the value blind. Now here select 50. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this plane and this plane select and sketch. Now draw the circle here from midpoint. Give the value this circle 30. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to here select plain white. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Sorry, now I am going to select this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Select this edge. This line midpoint, control this point vertical. Now give the value this line and this line 10. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now direction change. Now select up to next. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. This point and this point and this point and this point, draw line. Triangle draw. Now go to exit tools. Now go to this face and sketch. Now here draw the hair arc. This point select and this point select. Now this arc control this arc tangent. Now go to again isometric view. Now go to exit. Now select here sweep cut. Now go to select the triangle. Now this box select this arc. Okay. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here select appearance. Now here select solid. Now select here solid. Now you can here use any color. Now you can use blue. Now go to again isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class 1-to-1, you can join anywhere in the world. Our practical class small base 6 to 10 student only. You can join online class in the world. You can join practical class in the Bangladesh. Thank you all.